to Troy and Desi channel.
Got the whole Sanders family right here. I'm Troy.
I'm D'Angelo.
And it's your girl, Desi. And you gonna tell me you? Say Aunt Sophia. She's not talking. So, and we're back. If y'all see, we going with the snack crate.
Yeah. You talking about, girl?
You trying to tell her what it is. Okay, go ahead.
So yeah, we changing up things, you know what I'm saying, doing a snack crate. Obviously it's snacks from all around the world. Yes, ma'am. You come at me? You still do with me? Right.
Yeah.
That's cool. You do snacks from all around the world. And today's snack crate is from, drum roll please. Let me get that Sam fam on it. South Africa.
Okay. South Africa? What they give you, like a book?
Yeah, a little booklet, sticker.
Oh, they tell you exactly what's in it.
That's
Fun
cool.
facts. They tell you about South Africa.
Which Africa?
South
Come on,
Africa.
baby. I'll let you have the stickers after the video, okay?
Oh yeah.
South
Let the
Africa.
people on YouTube see. See the stickers that it comes with?
They
That's
show
pretty
you.
cool.
They show you what comes in it.
That's what it looks like inside the snack crate. I hope y'all can see that. I'm gonna let you, buddy. I'm sorry.
It's a sticker. That's it. It's a
See?
sticker.
That's what it looks like inside. I believe this is their flag, right? The sticker right
Yep.
here? That's their flag. They have a sticker that looks like their flag to seal it all up. We're gonna open this up real quick, like. Bust it open. Oh wow, they got Lay's in here?
Lay's chips.
What? I didn't expect that, so I ain't gonna lie.
They got Lay's.
Oh.
Which one is these?
They got
Let me see, baby. Yeah, chips. Potato chips,
They got it
Caribbean
all.
onion, and balsamic. Balsamic? I don't know how you pronounce it. Don't kill me in the comments. Vinegar flavor. I'm about to try these, y'all. I'm gonna try all of this. Let's take out everything. Alright, y'all sing the Lay's first. This first one.
We got some crackers.
Let me see. Cheese flavored snack, mini cheddars.
Get some more mini cheddars.
Let me see. What flavor is this one? Fruit chutney flavored snack. I hope I'm saying that
Got
right.
some meats. Got some butter.
What's this? Champion, the original toffee. Oh, it's toffee.
What's that?
And it's wait. They tell you how many calories you eating.
Oh, you know they got to. Somebody be counting on points. Not your boy, you know what I'm saying? I'll just be eating. Girl, you still in stickers? Hold on, baby. Hold on. You put it on you? Hold on, baby.
She put the mustard on.
This one is rich, creamy Nestle milk chocolate with Aero Century and filled biscuit wafers. That's a lot to say. It's called the Tex. It reminds me of a Nutty Buddy. What's this one? This is Bourneville. I'm hoping I'm saying these right, y'all. It's classic dark chocolate. Okay. Sophia just spilling all the stickers. Doing her thing over here. And what is this one? 5-star. Cadbury milk chocolate plus caramel plus soft chocolatey center plus crunchy biscuits. 5-star.
We didn't
That's
have
everything?
those.
Yep, that's everything.
Alright, we're gonna try these out.
Why do we not have
Which one?
Which
Wanna try the
one?
chips?
Which one y'all wanna do first?
those? Chips.
Chips first? You sure? Okay. Open them up. Bust them open, son. Bah! Alright, everybody grab a chip. About to try it, y'all.
Sophia.
It's
Girl, you just, she going crazy with the stickers. She more happy about the stickers than anything.
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
It looks like this.
Y'all ready?
Y'all.
Girl,
It
make
look
sure
like
you get
regular.
a
You want
big
chip,
chip. This is actually a big
What
chip.
chip?
Sophia, you want a chip?
What chip?
It stank.
She worried about the
Yeah.
stickers.
Sophia, you want a chip?
Oh my goodness, it does. Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Ain't as bad as I thought it would be. It does not taste like it smells.
You can taste the onion in it though. You can taste the onion.
I don't know. I don't really eat vinegar and onion chips, so
I like
this is-
vinegar.
this
I
is
like-
new to me.
What? You don't like salt and vinegar?
I really don't. I hate it actually.
What? Okay,
It
we can
stinks.
say we can actually eat these for later.
Oh,
Okay.
you like them?
That's actually pretty good.
Yeah,
Now
which one you want to do next?
Sophia, which one?
Hold on,
Sophia
baby.
got the taffy.
She picked the taffy.
So we eating the taffy.
Sophia picked, y'all. I don't trust this black rapper. I don't know about that.
This is what the big taste that lasts.
Ooh.
Flavor taffy.
It looks like this, y'all. It looks like.
Why is this color? What the heck?
Boo boo.
My fingers still smell like chips.
It don't smell
I'm
like.
this is gonna get stuck in my teeth, man. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. My mistake, I picked one. You cheat. Open it up. Bust it open. Right. 1, 2, 3. Hard. Like a rock.
Oh.
I can't bite it.
Where you going? Where you going?
She's throwing it in.
You gonna spit it out?
It's too hard.
Yeah, I don't like that one.
Sophia, it wasn't nasty. Before we continue this video, I do want to let South Africa know we just pretty much trying out the candy. We not making fun of the candy or anything like that or anything we eat. And we just trying different countries. Sophia, mommy doesn't want it.
You're right.
You don't want it? Put it right here.
Everybody has their own personal preference. Some we like and some we don't like. We like the chips. We just didn't like the toffee.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
but that was so
Next.
sad.
Sophia didn't want it either. You didn't like it?
We can't.
What was it?
Try this. The
It's
text.
good.
Okay.
So we all.
D'Angelo wants
Hold
to
on,
try.
wake up, baby.
D'Angelo wants to try the Tex next. Okay.
Yum.
Okay.
Everybody grab a piece. I love doing stuff as a family, you know what I'm saying? Bringing us all together and stuff. Look at us. Saying fam.
Give your daddy a piece.
Oh.
Give
Thank
your
you.
brother a piece.
This look weird. Look at the inside, y'all. It got like bubbles in it.
Give Sophia a piece.
Oh yeah, I do.
Okay,
I
D'Angelo, take the bigger piece.
like
Yeah.
Come on, y'all, before it melt on my hands.
It's gonna be.
Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Feel like a Kit Kat.
That's what it says. What is it?
It's a Kit Kat.
Oh, milk chocolate filled waffle layers. Yeah, and chocolates in there. D'Angelo, Sophia said,
You make a mess, baby.
you didn't like it? Okay. What's next?
That might be big.
Oh, Sophia had a pick. She did
You
pick.
didn't pick. It's your turn.
Let me see. Let me see. You scratched me.
I did.
Yes,
No, I
son.
scratched it. Yeah.
Got little crumbs on the table, Sophia.
Look, my nails are so sharp.
You want to try that one? Yeah, we trying this one. Sophia picked.
Okay.
What is this? You said it earlier.
Dark chocolate. Bourneville. I hope I'm saying that right. Let's try it out.
That's a lot.
So that's 2 for 1. We didn't like one, the toffee,
It was too
and
hard.
the other 2 was pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, baby. Hold on.
That's why, cause it's super
Okay, give your
good.
daddy a piece.
Oh,
your
why you
brother
keep
piece.
slamming mine? Here, he got one of mine.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, that's
They
ours.
don't really like dark chocolate.
Okay, give your daughter one. Here, give your daughter one. Here.
Look, her mouth open, she ready.
Okay, you ready?
1, 2,
3.
Out of blood.
It's not bad. Not bad.
But I don't think it tastes like our milk chocolate. Our dark milk chocolate?
Yeah, dude.
It
I
do?
do chew it up. It does. It reminds me of Hershey's a lot.
Oh yeah.
Dark chocolate Hershey's.
Yeah.
It's not bad though. Not bad. I really don't eat dark chocolate, but
It's not.
it's not bad.
I'm not a
yeah.
sweets person.
And guys, this is baked. The crackers, they're baked.
Okay, so we're gonna do the mini
It's healthier for you.
cheddars. Cheesy flavor snack. We have 2 of these.
You want to do these first? I feel like these gonna be nasty, so I'd rather wash it down.
What is those?
Fruit chutney flavored
Stop it.
snack.
Okay, we can do those.
Just because I feel like we're not gonna like these, so I don't want to have that aftertaste. You know what I'm saying?
Some of them.
You got it. You the muscle boy.
I'm gonna get it.
Use your teeth if you need to. You got it. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Bow, bow, bow.
Boy.
Don't be hating.
Okay, Sophia, grab one.
No.
You
Grab
know
one.
what?
No, not.
It's nasty.
You didn't even try
You didn't
it.
even try it.
Let Daddy see. Daddy will try one. Let me smell it.
Hold on, wait. We doing that one, Sophia.
She might be right. We might be right.
Mommy.
It's a strong smell. What do it smell like?
Toes.
Toes?
And socks. Toes and socks.
Oh,
Damn.
yeah. No, it smells like that one thing.
Y'all ready?
It smells like that
One,
one.
2, 3.
It's not bad. Not that bad.
It does taste better than what it smells like, just like the chips.
Yeah.
But the chips is the best.
That aftertaste.
I was just gonna say it's gonna have a bad.
That aftertaste is horrible.
You can smell.
I hate the aftertaste.
I'm brushing my teeth after this.
I was gonna say how your breath stinking.
For real.
Stinking. So okay,
They
me
got
and
your
you gonna
breath
go
on
to the cheese and
cheese.
see if it's different. Sophia, you gonna try this one?
I feel like I'm gonna be strong too.
Look at Sophia's face.
This one don't stink? She said no.
Now you just gonna eat it. We ain't fast enough for her.
You give me yours.
Oh, you previously tasted it for me? Thank you.
Okay, you ready?
1, 2, 3. Good plan.
Ain't nothing on it.
Ain't no salt on it or nothing.
That's like eating a cracker.
It don't even taste like not
Nothing.
even because
It doesn't taste like
crackers
nothing. It don't even
got
taste like cheese.
crackers got salt on them. It really don't.
Don't taste like cheese at all. I don't even taste cheese.
I do.
I don't taste cheese, y'all.
Guys,
It must be like a light sprinkle on it. You know what I'm saying? Like.
Okay, 5 stars. The last one.
I'ma just snap from you like that. I seen it. We're gonna split it up.
said, give me.
That ain't open one yet, did I? I don't think I did.
No, you haven't.
This looks fine.
That looked like an engine.
Daddy might have to keep this to himself, you know what I'm saying? Alright, video over, y'all. Thanks for watching. Y'all saying no.
Yeah, did you play too much?
Oh, looking so good over here.
That's like a Twix.
Really
Yeah.
Looks like a Twix.
But her before this burning my hands.
Burning my hands.
Yeah.
Here go, baby. You and them stickers.
No cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Here,
Here.
hold this one.
Here, this yours.
No cheese. Come on.
You don't want
You
it.
don't want it?
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look.
It's fine.
Actually,
Oh!
You did.
We need to order some more of these.
It's like a Twix, but like it go like caramel, then the hard stuff, and then caramel again.
Bye. Why are you throwing everything in the garbage?
Your brother's okay. She got the whole garbage can. It's okay, baby.
Yeah, run that. You don't like it?
It's too sweet.
Too sweet. You too sweet.
I call it
Scoot everything to the side. You can throw that away a little bit later.
So that was the South Africa.
Big thanks to Snack Crate and South Africa for providing the goodies.
Because it was actually really good.
Yeah, it was way more that we liked in the crate than we
It
didn't
was
like.
fun tasting different food
Yeah,
and snacks from different countries.
straight up.
chips.
Look at you.
And Sophia loved the stickers. If you got kids, they will love the stickers.
True that. So, with that being said, you know what I'm saying? Thanks for watching the video. And y'all know we gotta close the video out like we always do. Y'all ready?
Ready?
Hey!
And thanks for watching.
Yep. Like,
Once
share,
again.
subscribe. Show your grandma, your mama, your grandpa, everybody. Even your neighbor that you don't like. Show them all. We love y'all. We out. Hey!
Bye,
Sophia said
Sam.
we out.
Bye.